Hi guys. Now this is a DVD unboxing today, so I have 3 films that I brought in Walmart. So here it turns out it's 3 20th Century Fox's DVD, which is basically 20th Century Studios. We got Predator Badlands, Avatar The Way of Water, and Fire and Ash. So the Predator is the last Alien and Predator film that I actually got from Walmart. I just bought it today. So this one, Avatar The Way of Water, I saw this in cinemas, which is the Guzzo one. The cinema Guzzo that I actually saw it 3 years ago. And this one has already been a couple of months ago that I went to the Cineplex for Fire and Ash on this year. So, flashing. Okay, and now it's weird because usually they put some warning signs on the back, just like this one, because it says warnings, some flashing lights. Seems, I think. And the first one I already have is with the THX logo on it, which is basically a FOX, you know. Without further ado, let's not waste our time to unbox that. There we go. And see how the disc looks like. Oh, from the directors of Prey. Oh, okay. It's already been. Alright. Here's the disc. That's new, huh? Rated PG, 107 minutes. So, yeah. I've never seen this disc. And I'm especially gonna do some opening and closing to all of the Alien films. But I think I'll start with Predator, with Schwarzenegger on it. So I'll be right back because I'll cut the video. Alright, so I'm just gonna be continue with Avatar over there with the second one. This one is easy to open up. Alright, did I miss something? Oh no, maybe not. Oh yeah, the case right here, it's like smooshed a little bit. Oh, here's Disney movie rewards. Okay, so technically it's supposed to be by 20th Century Fox movie rewards, not Disney movie rewards, but anyway. And now the case is like broken, I say. And alright, then here's the disc. Rated PG-13, 192 minutes. We'll see. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, this case is most likely ugly, I think. Because there's broken parts everywhere. Ah, now, there's a plastic. I'm going to switch the case eventually. So here's Avatar, The Way of Water. Or I might keep this case for a while, but anyway. Here's the last one, which is Fire and Ash. Hold on. All right. Oh dear. This one is most likely sticking up, eh? It's already been sticking up. Do I miss a part? Yeah. Maybe not. Alright, here's Fire and Ash. And let's see how it looks like. Hopefully they're not broken out. Because I believe it's... Okay. So anyway, here's the disc. Rated PG-13, 197 minutes. So guys, what you think about those DVD unboxing video that I actually did? So like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.